Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you're here. I'm currently exploring Thailand with my best friend Haruka. We have done a ton of different things and eaten some incredible food here. So if you're like me and you love food, travel, adventure, then please keep watching. So after our girls' trip in Chiang Mai, my husband joined us for a few more days of adventure. This rainy morning, we woke up, got some brunch, and then we had to get ready for our cooking class. There's all these different pavilions with different classes happening at the same time. This is a huge compound. This is Grandma's cooking school in Chiang Mai, Thailand. We actually started the day with our group at the market getting some supplies, and then we headed over to the cooking school. We learned how to make some of the most iconic Thai dishes from scratch. We had to grind all the curry paste and balance every single flavor, and the class was set at a great pace. Ready?
The stem.
Okay.
Okay. Right. DY into two portions. The first portion we're gonna put
In the class, we each had our own mini station with all of the ingredients laid on the table. And then we would follow all the steps from our head chef to see how to make the food. For my first main dish, I chose to make a delicious tom yum mee with coconut. And of course, I added a bunch of delicious chili peppers to make it spicier. So while we were cooking, our head chef was telling us about the history of certain dishes and the reasons why we use certain flavors to balance. It was a really entertaining class. I put mine in later.
push it, and then turn on the fire.
We're taste testing our soup.
So good.
Food is such a big part of my life, and it is a massive part of the culture here in Thailand. I loved this cooking class because not only did we make the most delicious food, but we learned so much about the history, about flavors, about the regions of Thailand, all while cooking. Our head chef, Roger, was so entertaining and very brave with the fire. Oh!
Faster. Yeah. And then stir.
Oh my god.
Yes, good job. On the mark, right?
Egg, tofu, protein, noodle. Keep stirring. That was a lot. We survived.
Good. And now,
Barely.
repeating.
Just two chefs on our lunch break, you know? It's a hard day's life. Just slaving away,
Life is
cooking
hard,
up
you
tom
know?
yum mees left and right.
My arm hurts.
You know, eating delicious food. What a day.
Yeah. Good job. One. And now. Oh yeah. Action shot. Little.
We are currently in a food coma. I am so full. I can't believe we cooked so much and we ate all of it.
3 dishes. And then mango soup, right?
Perfect cooking class experience that was. We made so many dishes and we ate them all. I am so full. I loved this whole experience. Look how pretty. I want to come back. So because it's the rainy season right now in Chiang Mai, there have been no colorful sunsets, but right now is when Right now is what we're calling the golden hour. It's when things are lit up. The sun is somewhere in the sky. You can't see it, but it feels a little bit like sunset. This is Doi Suthep Temple. This temple was especially beautiful because it's at the top of this mountain. I love the atmosphere at Buddhist temples, especially the bigger ones, because it is just a huge compound that feels so peaceful. Wait, that's literally a crab. Wait, make it move. I can't see it in the camera.
Isn't that the cutest
that's literally
little
a
guy?
crab.
I know.
It
Okay,
is a
sorry,
spider.
sorry.
A
I disrupted
spider
you. When I
crab.
saw this guy, I was like,
Oh my. I think if you are coming to Thailand, you definitely should make time to visit some temples. The weather was still pretty rainy, so we decided to have a cafe hopping day. Clay Cafe, I think, was definitely my favorite winner of the cafes we went to. Everything was just delicious, and I fell in love with the raspberry oat latte. This cafe that we went to, Roastery or Roastatery, coffee, they had actually won a bunch of awards about their coffees, so we had to take a try. And it was pretty good. I also loved this design.
so nice.
Can we believe the weather right now? Are you seeing this? This is One Nimin Square, and the market is totally different than a few nights ago. This is not a vintage market now. What is this? It's like a food market. And there's music. I love it. This is something that I'm really starting to understand about Thailand and love about Thailand is that you leave your hotel or you leave your apartment for the day and you have no idea what is going to happen. It just seemed like every corner we turned was this magical, amazing place. We found new restaurants, cafes, whole different vintage markets we didn't even know about. If you are wanting spontaneity in your vacation, you definitely need to come to Thailand. Where are we? This is so pretty. Just a random alleyway.
You need to see the sunset from. Is there a view?
And to end our perfectly amazing day in Chiang Mai, we went to our new favorite restaurant, Kapao. This spicy pad kra pao was so good. It's hot stir fry with garlic and egg and minced meat. And I ordered mine way too spicy on accident. I'm learning that I cannot handle Thai spicy. But what an experience.